In this video, I will walk you through a detailed look at whether the RedMagic Shadow Blade 3 is the right choice for your mobile gaming setup. When we compare it to the previous generations or standard mobile grips, the standout features here revolve around that premium console-style feel. The comparison really starts with the ergonomics, as this model utilizes a rubberized grip for enhanced comfort during long sessions. Unlike many basic controllers, this one features 2 million-cycle custom-Hall joysticks and a 6-axis gyroscope, providing a level of precision that competes directly with high-end console gamepads. You have to consider the trade-offs between the standalone Gamepad 3 version and the bundle that includes a wired cooler, especially if you are using high-performance devices like the RedMagic 11S Pro, which can run quite hot during intensive play. Another major contrast to other controllers is its versatility. It features an extendable length of 213 millimeters, making it compatible not just with phones, but also with tablets like the Astra 2. You also get 2 programmable micro shoulder buttons and customizable RGB lighting effects, allowing for a personalized aesthetic. For users looking for a multi-platform solution, the Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity ensures a stable link across various devices. Ultimately, whether you choose the standard version or the cooler bundle depends on how often you push your hardware to its thermal limits. It is a robust upgrade that bridges the gap between mobile and professional gaming. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you prefer playing on a phone or a tablet.